Hello everybody, this is a video on how to create your very first web page using Notepad++ and HTML. So on the screen right now you can see Notepad++, but if you're going to make your first web page, before you do that you've got to make a folder. This is known as a root folder. Now you can see I have lots and lots and lots of root folders. I'm going to make a new one for this website I'm going to build, and I'm going to call this another first site, because I've done this before. You might see them up here. Look, there's another one there. Okay, once I'm in that folder, this is where I'm going to save my web pages and any pictures I'm going to use for my web page. So in my websites folder, another first site, you will have to make your own web page folder to keep it in. It's called the root folder. Okay, now we've done that, we can go to Notepad++. The first thing to do is select your language. There's lots of things you can do with Notepad++, but we are going to do HTML, so of course that's under H. I click that. Now, as I start to type, if I type a tag like HTML, it will turn blue. Okay, and if I do my /HTML, you can see I have this red little bracket here, and I can collapse my HTML tag. That's useful when your web page becomes very long. Also, if I click on my HTML tag, you can see where it ends. It pairs them up for you. Very useful so you don't forget to close your tags. Okay, when making a web page then, the first thing to do is the head. Okay, the head's on top of everything else, so here is my head, and in my head I'm just going to tab across, and we usually just do the title, and I'm going to call this first web page, or even forced. There we go, and /title. Alright, I can now collapse that head and get it out of the way, but I'm not going to. Alright, so underneath the head is the body. Now I'm not going to do much with this, but for now I'm just going to say hi, whoops, hi there, and that's all. Okay, now I'm going to save it. So File, Save As. I've got to find the right place. So I've got to go to my websites folder and find another first site. There it is. That's where I save it, and I call it index. And it's already chosen hypertext markup language as my file type, so I should be able to just click save and then look in my folder, and there it is, my new web page. And if I open it, it says hi there, and the title up there is first web page. Okay, let's put in a picture. Before I put in a picture, I've got to have a picture to put in. So let's look for a picture of a dog. That will do. Images. That one's too big. There, look, he's a cute little guy. So I'm going to right click, save image as, find my root folder. So I'm going to go there, and I'm going to go current teaching, websites, another first site, and I'm going to save it there. And I'm just going to make sure I know what it's called. I'm just going to call it dog.jpg and save. And if I look in here now, you can see the dog picture next to my web page. Okay, dog.jpg, there it is. So in my notepad, I'm just going to go img src equals dog.jpg. Look how it put the speech marks in for me. /close tag. Okay, image tag, of course, is the one that doesn't have a separate close tag. You just do it there. But look, Notepad knows that, and it's highlighted that bit and that bit. Okay, so all I've got to do is save, Control S on the keyboard, go back to my first web page and refresh. Boom. And there you go. Now, before you do this, I would really recommend that you do the HTML and CSS Code Academy course. That will teach you the basics of HTML and even a bit of CSS. Once you've done that course, then you can start using Notepad to build your own web pages. This has just been a very quick example to get you started. The rest is up to you. Away you go.